Good morning, boys and girls. So this is chapter 12 or module 12, lesson 4, and it's about convert time and finding elapsed time. So I'm going to go over today the check understanding questions because a lot of you demonstrated difficulty on Monday, April 27th math assignment. So at number 1, it says, 2 weeks ago, Claudia rode the exercise bike each day for these numbers of minutes. So 45 minutes, and I'm writing this down on my whiteboard and I'll show you. 35 minutes, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes again, and 30 minutes. Did he reach his goal of riding at least 5 hours each week? So he wants to reach a goal of 5 hours a week. So we need to find out if that amount of time that he rode each day sums up to 5 hours. So I wrote them down here, and now I'm going to add the minutes. So 45 minutes plus 35 minutes, so 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. I'm just going to bunch them up like this so I can get less numbers. 50 plus 20 is 70. And then I know 40 plus 40 is 80, and 80 plus 30 is 110. So now I have less numbers to work with. So I have 110 plus 170 is 180. And then I'm going to add 80 to it. So 16 regroup. So I have a total of 260 minutes. But I need to know, well, 260 minutes is equivalent to how many hours, because I want to know if he meets his goal of 5 hours. So I know that there's 60 minutes in an hour. So I'm going to divide 260 by 60 to see how many hours that is. So 60 cannot go into 2, 60 cannot go into 26, 60 can go into 260 4 times, and 60 times 4 is 240. So he rides for 4 hours and 20 minutes out of that hour. So he rides for, we can say 4 hours, 20 minutes. We could also say 4 hours and a third. So 4 and 1/3 hours. Because 20 over 60, if we simplify it, will become 1/3. So those are the two answers for check understanding, page 310, number 1. And you can see the answers in my book, but today's lesson is just to explain how we got the answers. So no, Claudio did not reach his goal of 5 hours. He was short, 40 minutes. Okay, that's number 1. Now I'm going to go over number 2. It says Marcus gets to the library at 11 a.m. He stays there for 150 minutes. What time does he leave? So I have a starting time of 11 a.m. and then he's going to stay there 150 minutes. So I'm going to add 150 minutes to this 11 a.m. and see what time did he leave the library, if he stood there for that long. So I'm going to take baby steps here on the side. So I know 11 o'clock plus 60 minutes, right? 11 o'clock plus 60 minutes will give us 12 o'clock. So I'm going to do a 60-minute jump. So if I do 150 minus 60, because I just added the 60 already, which is an hour, 60 minutes is an hour, I now have 0. 15 minus 6 is 9. I have 90 minutes left. So I'm going to take another 60-minute jump, and it's going to be 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm going to reduce the 60-minute jump, which is equal to an hour, and I have 30 minutes left. So 1 o'clock plus 30 minutes is 1:30. He left the library at 1:30 p.m. Okay?